Hi, so today I'm making a video in support of the spine. So we all know how important spinal health is. And I have many videos that work with the idea of rolling forward and coming back up, that extension and flexion of the spine. I also have a lot of videos with twisting the spine, which is rotating the spine, which is very important as well. But we don't want to lose sight and support for the spine with its lateral movement. So we also want to be aware that healthy spine requires us to be able to shift from one side to the other. So here's a great exercise to do that. So we want to have a nice wide stance. And the nice thing about this is we're also going to be using our legs and our pelvis to help open up that flow in the spine. The spine itself will actually be reacting to this movement. So coming down, we're going to start by just taking a moment just to shift weight. Just get that sense in your body. Pumping your legs, shifting the weight from one side to the other. From one side to the other. And as you do that pumping, we're going to start to allow the spine to just follow that flow. Follow that flow. So bending over a little bit more, feel free to let your hands rest on the knees. And now let's shift the weight to the left, and that will involve the lower back, the mid back, the upper back, and the head moving back to this side. Then we're going to go back to the right and do the same thing. So the head is the last thing to move. So you're shifting your weight, incrementally working your way up the spine from the lumbar of the lower spine to the thoracic vertebra, to the cervical vertebra, all the way up to the crown of the head. And you can decide what speed you want to work with. We get that nice pumping of the legs, getting energy flowing up the legs, which will help the kidney channels, which kidneys help support the bones. So just back and forth, pumping those legs, allowing the spine to just flow from one side to the other, working your way and let the head be the last to arrive. And a few more moments. And then slowing it down, starting to come to that place of pause. And just do a forward fold. Let your head just hang, relax in any tension you might be holding in the body. Then bend those knees, tuck the tailbone as you inhale, and roll up one vertebra at a time. The more slowly you can do that, the more likely the blood will come up with you and the lightheadedness will be limited. So just taking a few moments just to breathe, get a sense of more fluidity in your spine. I invite you to add that as a regular practice to keep that availability of that nice lateral flexion of the spine. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.